What's up, everybody? I'm about to go outside. I just got home. Guess what? No school tomorrow. Holla. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my sides here. Hold on, one sec. Alright, I'm gonna put it on my sides right here. And I'm gonna check the mail to see if my permit in the card is here. My hair's probably all messed up because I was playing with my dog. So here we go. Okay, get the door open. Alright, it's snowing! Alright, I'm gonna wrap the mail right here. Alright, opening the mail. Wait, what? Nothing? There's nothing in the mail. Alright. Well, I was kind of expecting it to be there. I thought that'd be cool if you guys could see it. But I guess not. But it's snowing! It's snowing! Alright. I'm gonna go back inside now. It's cold. So, that freaking door open. That sucks that my current is here. Hi, Charlie! You can't even see me so black. Charlie, say hi. Yeah, whatever. Alright, close the door here. Well, that sucks that my permit isn't here. Thought that'd be pretty cool. P.S. to you when I first got it, but oh well. Should be here pretty soon. So yeah, there's just like this big blizzard that's evidently supposed to come. So yeah, it's kind of exciting. Let's go tomorrow. What else do I have to say? Look at all this food that we have. Toilet paper. Oh gosh. So yeah, that's about it. No school tomorrow. No permit. That's okay. I'll be here soon. And wait, look at this right here. There's like people like, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's like music coming from across the street. There's nothing. I don't know. You probably can't hear that at all. But they're like playing music out of this truck right here. Here, okay, here. Better view. My mom's home. Better view right there. Okay, I can zoom in. This camera is awesome, by the way. Just get it. So that's about it. My mom's here. I'm gonna go talk to her, see if I can hang out with somebody, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, see ya. Wait, I need a new outro. Help me with a new outro. How about this? Peace. God bless.